In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change text color in Adobe Illustrator using the Properties panel. Whether you're designing a logo, social media graphic, poster, or any type-based artwork, knowing how to quickly adjust your text color is a fundamental skill. The good news is, Illustrator makes this incredibly simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through every step, from selecting your text properly to choosing the perfect color using swatches, the color picker, or sliders. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Adobe Illustrator guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your Adobe Illustrator project. Make sure the document that contains your text is active. To change the text color, the very first thing you need to do is select the text itself. You can do this in two different ways depending on what you want to edit. If you want to edit specific letters or words, select the Type tool from the toolbar on the left. Then click and drag over the exact text you want to modify. If you want to change the color of the entire text object at once, switch to the Selection tool, which is the black arrow at the top of the toolbar, and simply click on the text box. Once your text is selected, the next step is to open the Properties panel. If you don't already see it on the right side of your screen, go up to the top menu, click on Window, and then choose Properties from the drop-down list. As soon as you click it, the Properties panel will appear, usually docked on the right-hand side. Inside the Properties panel, you'll see different sections that change depending on what you have selected. Since you've selected text, look for the section labeled Appearance. This is where you control how your text looks visually, including its fill color and stroke. Under Appearance, find the option labeled Fill. The fill controls the inside color of your text. Click directly on the Fill color box. As soon as you click it, Illustrator will open up your color options. Now you have a few different ways to choose your new text color. First, you can select from Swatches. If your Swatches panel is visible, you can simply click on any preset color to instantly apply it to your text. This is great for brand colors or saved palettes. Second, you can use the color picker. When you click on the fill box, you can double-click it to open the full color picker window. Here, you can manually choose any color by dragging within the color field or adjusting the hue slider. This gives you complete freedom to select exactly the shade you want. Third, you can use color sliders. In the Properties panel or Color panel, you can adjust RGB or CMYK sliders depending on your document color mode. This is especially useful if you have specific brand color values that need to be precise. As soon as you click on a new color, your selected text will immediately update. If nothing changes, double-check that the fill is active and not the stroke. The stroke controls the outline of the text, while fill controls the interior color. And that's really all there is to it. Select your text, open the Properties panel, click Fill under Appearance, and choose your desired color using swatches, the color picker, or sliders. It's quick, simple, and gives you full creative control over your typography. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like, and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.